How to add Arabic text in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add Arabic text in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, let's open up our CapCut. So you can update your CapCut if you haven't yet to get the latest version of CapCut. After you do that, you can then simply open up any project or anything that you're working on. So I'll just open this video up right here. Now what I can do is just type in a text that I want. So you can later add it to. I'll just type in something like a cat or something. So let me just add a text. And yeah, you can later copy this text, whatever you write, or if you have already written it, select it and copy it like this. Then what we'll do is we'll head over to Google and search for translate. Under translate, you can see this detect language. You can select first language, that is English, or whichever language that you use. Then here you'll need to select Arabic. After you've done that, just paste whatever you have written there and it should change it to Arabic like this. So right here you will see the Arabic font as well. So it's right here. So you can copy this and come back here and then paste it right here like this. And with that, you can tap on done, place it wherever you want, and that's how you can add Arabic text in CapCut. You can export this video, and yeah, that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.